Hey guys, it's Casey. Today I want to go and show you how you can go and make this photo collage for Instagram. So when you're on your Instagram, you could go to your gallery. You see all these pictures that I took. What you do is you mark one of your pictures and then just make a screenshot. Then you can go and resize it if you want to. But the easiest is you just go select one photo, tap in the middle and then remove all the menus. Then go and screenshot it. And that's the easiest way, so you don't need to edit in it. Next, you go to Instagram and make a photo. You go to text and you can see the right dots over there. And go to clipboard. And in clipboard you find the screenshot pictures or edited screenshots that you did before. So here we go. Here's the second one. And I made a third one. Also, you can go and add everything you want here, like music, locations, questions. I did some music to it. And that's what I can upload now to my Instagram story. There you go. This is now the photo collage Instagram story. It helped. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any requests for other videos, let me know. Comment down below. Like the video. If you check out my YouTube channel, I have lots of other tutorial videos, how-to videos, how to go and make a dark mode for everything like WhatsApp, Instagram. Yeah, so just check it out and please subscribe. Please give it a like. Please comment down below and hope I see you next time.